FELICE, or else Flexible Assembly Manufacturing with Human-Robot Collaboration and Digital Twin Models, is a Horizon 2020 research and innovation action project with 13 partners throughout Europe. The main challenge of FELICE is the coordinated human-robot interaction, aspiring to serve the pressing need for agile manufacturing. FELICE combines adaptive workspaces, a cognitive mobile robot collaborating with workers, and a digital twin orchestrating assembly operations. The main project objectives are to develop context awareness via ubiquitous sensing, ensure safety in human-robot collaboration, amplify fluency and ergonomics in collaborative assembly tasks, and orchestrate the assembly process in real time. These contribute to the ultimate goal of realizing collaborative assembly lines for agile production in real environments. FELICE builds upon different baseline technologies that are listed in the left column to develop the competencies indicated in the right column. Of central importance is the digital twin, which will oversee and orchestrate the assembly process with respect to quality, efficiency, ergonomics, and safety. Networking with relevant digital innovation hubs aims to support the exploitation of freemium assets and speed up prototyping. FELICE's framework stands on 5 major pillars. The first pillar concerns smart process monitoring via the integration of heterogeneous sensors and devices in industrial environments. The second relates to collaborative robots with advanced cognitive capabilities, mobility, and adaptability for joint task execution, addressing safety and fluency. The third pillar deals with the AI system for real-time orchestration and control of adaptive assembly lines. The fourth pillar supports a distributed architecture computing paradigm and reusable toolkits, while the fifth pillar is about the technology validation in real industrial environments. FELICE impacts innovation, competitiveness, and market growth through increasing the adoption of collaborative industrial robots by lowering costs with a single mobile platform that can support different workstations and assembly tasks on demand, and with improved flexibility and agility. Improve data privacy and security through a privacy by design approach for handling personal data and security mechanisms for the distributed processing of data. AI augmented automation with the human worker in the center point. The realization of future smart factories. And the interoperability between sensors and modules, expandability and modularity of the developed technologies. Additional societal impacts concern individualism, improved life quality, and workability, healthy and safe workplaces, as well as decreased automation bias.